Welcome aboard, and thanks for riding with Uber. For your safety, we kindly ask you to please fasten your seatbelt. During your ride, please keep your mobile phone switched on at all times so you can follow your trip and find out all about your driver. Before someone can become a driver, they must pass DBS background checks. There are 4 exits in this vehicle, 2 in the front and 2 in the back. For your added safety, you can share your live location and let your loved ones know where you are. While the driving hours feature prevents drivers from driving too long with us. In the unlikely event of an emergency, you can find our new emergency assistance button in the safety toolkit. From all the crew here at Uber, have a safe trip and be sure we're already working on new safety features because we believe safety never stops.